My name is Chavez Houck. I'm a state representative from Salt Lake City, Utah. On immigration reform, yes, I think that that's one of our biggest challenges and yet one of our biggest opportunities this year. I have some fears that we're going to be, the comprehensive immigration reform on the federal level won't occur this year. Then we'll be going into a campaign season again next year. And inevitably during a campaign season, people don't want to even touch this issue. So I feel very strongly on a federal level that it needs to be dealt with this year. It's my hope that if we can't do anything on a big level, that we can at least get the DREAM Act passed. That's something that I think could be a very good first step and has some there's a comfort level within the population at large for the DREAM Act, for helping students be able to move towards earned citizenship. So I'm hoping we can at least start with DREAM Act this year, and if not something bigger. We had this discussion this morning on the census. I believe that it's going to be very difficult to get an accurate count if the federal government on one hand is saying we want to count you, but yet we've got this other big elephant in the room at the same time of not dealing with our broken immigration system. So I think it needs to happen this year. On a number of levels, understanding sustainable living as part of public health. I think we can help our community understand that if we move towards a sustainable community development, that it helps all of our communities. Cleaner air, cleaner water benefits all of us, and a lot of our low-income and minority populations are often adversely affected by pollution and some of the bad things that happen when you don't grow wisely as a community. So that's one thing, is we can talk to our communities, our Latino community, about the public health aspect of being green and being sustainable. In terms of the economic development, I think there's a wonderful opportunity for all of our community members to participate on all levels, whether they're employees of some of these new green industries that are starting to sprout up, but also in planning how they want to grow their community in a very green way. Also in terms of ATCs and community college level higher education for our young people and folks that are trying to get secondary education and higher level education, looking at those particular jobs that are starting to develop in green industries and helping them understand that this might be a career interest for them. So I think that there's a great potential for that for Latino communities.